Welcome to Analysis Prime University. My name is Michael Quinn, and I am a Senior Analytics Training Consultant with Analysis Prime University. In this tutorial on editing your home screen settings, you will learn how to access your profile to edit your home screen setting preferences, change the background and logo of your home screen, and how to add a new home screen note. From your tenant's homepage, you will go over and select your profile. From the drop-down, you will select Home Screen Settings. From the Edit Home Screen pop-up window, this is where you have choices to change your default tab. So for example, currently we have it listed so that the first tab that comes up is Today. I'm going to leave that in place. I just wanted to point that out. Next is the background. The default is the SAP Light background, but if you wanted to change it to something else, you are welcome to change that. In addition to that, if you wanted to, for example, add your own company's custom logo or have no logo at all, you can do that as well. If I click on OK, you will see the new darker background that I have in place. Additionally, under the home screen settings, I can choose which tiles I want to be on my home screen. So for example, if I did not want recent stories to be there, I could remove that simply by toggling. Or if I wanted recent analytic applications included, I can toggle that as well. If there were any featured files, etc. Once you are happy with the settings that you have, you select OK. And you will see where it's just added recent analytic applications. Additionally, if you wanted to give yourself or leave yourself a note, you can go to your profile, select New Home Screen Note, give it a title, and whatever note or text. This is private to you, no one else will see this. And once you're happy with the note that you're going to leave for yourself in the text, you select OK. And here's a reminder. So each time that you log in, that reminder would be there. Also, if you wanted to get rid of it, if you just select the ellipsis right there and hit delete, it will give you a warning. Are you sure that you want to delete the reminder tile? Select OK. It has been deleted. As we discussed, we covered how to access your profile to edit your home screen settings preferences, also how to change the background and logo of your home screen, and finally how to add a new home screen note and or remove it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, click the like button below. You can also view our growing catalog of self-paced courses, tutorials, webinars, and join the community forum by creating your free account at analysisprimeuniversity.com.